What is this?
Surprise iba pa.
Tapos si Janet, ang dami pang binigay sa akin. Ay, si Dayan ito eh.
Mga iligas.
Nakaano naman yun.
What is this?
Iligas mo.
Wow.
What's that?
Sa atin iligas eh. Hindi na kami.
Dried fish na dilis. It's nice. It's
Small
nice.
fish.
More.
Si GR, big boy na. Si Juan, big girl na.
Full of freaking. Now we can't make it any looser.
Surprise!
Surprise.
You know that
There's
one
gonna
there-
be more shampoo.
They have import. They have import in the Philippines to buy the.
I don't know with mom. There's a shampoo here but
It's bloody expensive in here. Why?
Bloody
Why should I buy then is a lot in there than
Asian store.
What's going on?
grabe no. Balot yan. Si ate King nagbalot ng jari na.
Parcel, I
Grabe
think.
naman daming jar.
Dahil siguro binili ni King na dyaryo.
Oo.
We got to get the music when it stops.
Oh my
You
God.
give it to someone else. There's nothing there.
Palit ang palit. Pinabacuum sealed pa namin yan para lang
Uy, my
mag-seal.
favorite danggit.
Cebu.
Ang sarap nito. It's crispy.
Cebu fried fish.
Crispy. Are we put that in there?
Oh, just put it in there.
Good.
Okay.
Because I just want to put
Ubusin mo yan.
inside.
Magkabak.
Just put it in there.
Open, let's
What is
open
that?
the
What did you say?
Ice.
Where the ice?
Oh, he's there, look. And then right there, look.
They're looking at you.
Why you like ice?
Natawa siya sa ice. Open ko na. Sarap.
As if it wasn't bad enough. It's got eyes as well. It's dried fish with eyes.
Why? It's ice. What's the problem of the ice? It's not
Because
ice.
not sleeping, must be close the eyes of the dried fish.
This one is the nubista coming you.
Yeah, but they just look at you, don't they?
Ang swerte ng mga ano, sana isda na lang ako, no?
Naging isda na lang sa prito mo lang pa.
Pretend me. It's wrong, isn't it?
Pakita mo, mabuksan mo.
Eyes is just wrong.
Ay, yung yan eh.
You
Ayun.
dried
Takot din nga daw siya kasi may mata.
Masa, saka ulo. Ayaw niya
Nakatingin
na.
sa'yo.
Ayaw niya na. Ulo mo. Itsura na. Magtang itsura na.
That's quite a bit then. Yeah.
What's that?
I was asking JR if he liked it.
Wrap like this.
Yeah, like that.
Vacuum sealed to make it...
No. Even like that, that's
Ah,
fine.
the-
But why did you feel that you needed to wrap it in God?
Yeah,
knows
because
how
The
much-
smell that come
The
out.
smell.
Smell. Yeah.
Because if the air like evaporate.
Oh, the smell would get in your clothes.
There's no smell, actually. But if you open it, you will smell. Smell like home.
Is na amoy na nga niya kanina yan. Malaki kasi
Parang
ilong
wala
eh.
nga eh.
Malaki kasi ilong. Sabi niya kanina na. Oh, amoy homeless.
Where are the open dates gone?
Is there? Look.
Here.
You need to declare
They're
and
stricter
then-
than UK.
Yeah, they're very. Yeah.
No, here, allowed here, 20 kilos.
Did you get sprayed before you came to the UK?
Sorry?
Did they come in the airplane and go?
Spray no.
No. If you go to
They're
Australia,
not a
they
plant,
spray.
then you
no,
just
no.
spray
If
them
you, go
out.
to, if you go to Australia, you get sprayed before you land.
Really?
Yeah.
That's sensitive. Being sensitive.
Ay, this is my favorite.
Ano yan?
Ito yun. Dito sa mga, ito yung gusto ko. Yan ang gusto ko. Gusto ko rin yan.
That is yung
Oh, thank you, my sister. Ano pa yung isa?
Ayun pa.
Another more. Dami kong tuyo.
Is it fish or shampoo?
May fish, may shampoo. Ooh.
Ayun tuyo din.
Grabe, pinakaliit. Dami-dami, pero lumiit lang siya kasi binakyum. Grabe naman ang sister ko nag... Ano, saan ka nagkita ng sister ko dito?
Sa ano yan, palengke?
Doon kayo nagbabalutan doon sa palengke?
Hindi, pinabalot na namin to doon. Pasig palengke.
Ah, mayroon ganun doon. Nagbalot.
Magbabayad ka na ng 10 pesos para ma-sealed.
Isang ganito, 10 pesos.
Oo.
Tapos ito,
Pila mo na lang.
sino naglagay nito ng ganito?
Anong tape? Di ba sa atiging bilat niya ng dyaryo? Tapos tinip ni Dayan ng mga ganyan.
Ah, si Diana nag-tip.
Oo, mas marunong siya eh. Kami niya parang dito
Ito, wala kang alam, no?
Gogo pa no.
Si Diana
Mamaya
nga
na
nagbalot, si Diana pa lahat.
Kami niya, ako
Sige.
na lang.
Ito, ginawa pa pala ng vitamin yung CGR.
Wala na ako siyang vitamins.
Kasi winter. Grabe, magbalot.
Secured.
Grabe.
Matalbog yan.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Tuyo din yan. Ito yan.
Ano ko ng munggo, ihalo ko to. Sarap to nito. Uy, yaw.
Yung pinabibili mo, di ba? Tama naman.
Oh, marami kong pabili ito. Ay, ako.
You got
Sarap
that
nito.
one and there's another one there. Look.
Itlog sa kaganda.
Itlog sa kayanin na.
Kailangan ba itong buksan?
Hindi natin. Pag nagluto ka na lang.
Kailangan na lang ilagay na lang dito. Dito
Pag
na lang.
nagluto ka. Kasi pag binuksan mo, mag-moist yan.
So, ito na lang ilagay ko dyan.
Makakamoy siya.
Sakpan ko, no? Wow,
Sarap ito.
DR, ang dami mo.
Pag nabuksan mo na yan, saka mo ilagay sa ganito. Necklace.
Sino isa? Ayun. Magtinda na ako ng frame set. Bili na kayo. Nakatumalingki ako. Frame set. Wala na frame set pa to.
Oo, tatlong pack yan.
Buti di na, ano, bakit binabalot? No, may mata dyan. May mata dyan, my love.
Pardon?
May mata.
Dry fish ice. Inside
There's
there.
ice there.
There's no ice in the newspaper. It's fine.
Oh.
Oh, that's not dried fish. It was more.
Meron akong shampoo.
Oh, picture mo na.
Oh. Yan.
With the hopya. Hopya durug-durug.
Ay, ano ba ito? Bakit? Palapit sinama na.
Yung yema mo.
Magluto tayo ng tuyo, guys, sa air fryer para hindi mangangamoy. Ayan. Para hindi mangamoy ang tuyo, ilagay sa air fryer. Ayan. Oh, may tuyo. Galing sa Pilipinas. Thank you sa nagpadala. Mga tuyo, nagtago. May danggit pa ako. Dami. Tayo tuyo, guys. Luto tayong tuyo, guys. Magluto sana ako sa napumuto. ang aking air fryer. Ito na lang, takpan ko na lang yung tuyo, guys. So, ang dami kong tuyo. Kain tayo. Higaing pala yan. Kain, ito sarap yan. Namimiss ko yan. Hopia. Ang daming hopia. Galing Pilipinas. Ayan, oh. Nakadurog-durog na. Thank you sa sister kong nagpadala. Joy. Chicken joy. Tayo, daing. Breakfast namin to. Ayan, may datirang chicken. Panset. Kain na. Kagigising lang alas 12 na. Walang breakfast. Kain kanin. Chicken. Saan ang mami mo? Ligo pa. O yan, may ano, ketchup. Itlog to. May kan itlog. Ay, juan mo. Saan si itlog mo, Net? May GR. Kasi late ka na. Tulog ka sa sakyan. Oh, salad. Tuyo. Kain na tayo. Ayan. GR. Di ko makain na tuyo. Kami kumakain na tuyo.
Ito ka dyan na.
Ito, sarap. Silip. Hindi, sa beef there.
There's no choice. is there?
Kawawa naman sa road
It's either eat rice or go hungry.
Yeah. Exactly.
with the ice there. Oh, I'm diet.
Not anymore, you know.
Ice there.
Ice. The ice there.
Every time you tell me ice, Janet, I'm going to give you more food.
No, I'm diet. Thank you.
Is there anything there?
No.
Ice there.
Yeah, you don't mind more food. So.
Ang ice nakatingin sa'yo. Ice to ice, my love.
Ice, ice, baby.
Ice. Huwag ka tumakbo.
I'm going.
What?
I want so much.
There's no ice.
Been banned. Been kicked out.
There's a chair there. Why did we kick there? Oh, you...